So I will say, we will say like sorry if you want to. Yeah, guys. Yeah, but don't tell anyone because the secret thing, yeah, the animals that have the most secret thing. I think okay, see guys, it's a different thing. Just like the ending of what I said in the last video. Oh, this is what I said about the ending of that last video. Not the thing like when I said like don't don't this is the ending of when I said put the no when at the start I like said put the the same fruit but in the ending like that was the start that I just said now. But the ending I said like put don't put the same fruit and then know the just like this. Yeah. You guys understand everybody got it? Yes. Okay. Got it. So that's like this. So find the hibernation. Put two fruits. Yes, so don't just tell anyone about this. Be quiet. This is what how much it so far. And when I said like the gargantuan, yeah, I didn't really save it, but I just looked at it. And remember the rainbow poop. I really can't really find it, guys, because I only found it. And I actually named it rainbow. But anyway, here the other save that little. Yeah, here's the big one. His name is Secret Big One. And the biggest one? What the biggest one?